How to allow people to share your posts to their Instagram story on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on this setting so others can reshare your content. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Sharing and Reuse under How Others Can Interact with You. Let me show you. From there, you'll see a list of options that control how others can share and interact with your content. At this stage, look for the option that says Allow people to share your posts and reels, and make sure it is toggled on. Following this, once enabled, anyone who sees your post will now have the option to share it directly to their own Instagram story. Once done, go back and also check the option that says Allow Sharing as Message. Toggle it on as well so people can also share your posts via direct message. Here's an important note. Even with resharing enabled, the person sharing your post to their story will always have your username tagged on it. So your account will always be credited whenever your content is reshared. Finally, if you ever want to stop people from resharing your posts, go back to sharing and remixes and toggle off Allow Resharing to Stories. The option will be removed for everyone going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you allow people to share your posts to their Instagram story, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.